How is it in Barcelona today?
Today is a rainy day.
Rainy?
Really rainy.
I want to talk to you about the project you worked on together to create face shields.
With the COVID pandemic, we just passed the really hard part.
It went everything super quickly.
There was so much demand on the PPEs, all the stocks was actually out.
So from Friday to Friday, you went from a request to version 4 of the product.
Yeah.
We had the maximum motivation you can ever get. I've been in 2 different wars. I worked on the Amazon. I worked a lot of places, but this was completely different.
I talked with Abdel. He was telling me like,
Clara, look, we need a face mask.
and then the next thing we know is there is this task force inside HP, but how do we know what the requirements are? So then I was like, no worries, I'll set up a meeting with Abdel and he can tell us what he thought was some things that we could do to improve the current designs. Yeah, you didn't really know a lot about face shields.
Yeah.
And then the following day on Sunday, they already had a version and then send it to the hospital for Abdel and the team to test it.
So the doctors and nurses tried on the prototype.
Abdel was sending me videos of the nurses actually explaining like,
Abdel, la he puesto del todo, o sea, me va grande.
my head is too small, and then I was resending those videos directly to the engineers. Like, guys, here you have the feedback, go work on it. Developing a final product takes time. So the fact that we were able to do that in like a week, that's kind of, it surprises.
And Abdel, what have you heard from staff at the hospital who are actually using the face shields?
They said like, this is one of the things that actually make our day happy. People loved it. People really loved it.
As soon as the design was finally approved and certified, we published it onto the website so anyone could download it, and we deploy it to all of our customer base across the world.
You guys, just from the two of you working together, hundreds of thousands of these face shields are out in the world protecting people. How does that feel?
It's pretty amazing, but the objective was just to try to protect Abdel and his friends, no? And then this suddenly became huge.